On BenchSci, you can narrow down your results using our 15 different filters. This video will explain how each of our filters can be used to define your experimental context to help you find the best antibody for your experiment. We have two sets of filters. The first is figure usage data filters, which allow you to narrow down the results based on how an antibody was used across the published literature. The second set of filters allow you to narrow down the results based on product specifications that are provided by the vendor. Since antibody performance depends on how a sample is treated, the technique filter is particularly important. If you can't see what you're looking for in a filter, you can always try typing in the first few letters of the word to narrow down the list. You can also filter by organism in which the experiment was conducted in the literature, tissue, cell type, and cell line that was used in the experiment, as well as disease context. Product specifications include availability and company, where you can include preferred vendors or exclude vendors you'd prefer to avoid. You can filter by host of the antibody, its reactivity in various species, and if you're conducting an experiment in two different species, you can select both and even exclude other species. You can filter by clonality of the antibody, its clone ID, post-translational modification of the protein target, which includes acetylation, methylation, or even phosphorylation at specific residues, conjugation to a reporter or tag, specificity for a region of the protein such as the C-terminus or N-terminus, and whether the antibody comes as part of a kit, such as an ELISA kit. You can use these filters to narrow down the results to spend your time wisely only reviewing the most relevant information.